In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play Phasmophobia on your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to download Crossover, which is an application that will translate Windows commands into Mac commands. So to do this, we first need to open our Safari browser, and you want to go to codeweavers.com, and I'll leave this linked in the description below. From here, you want to select Crossover in the top navigation bar. From here, you want to scroll down, and you want to select Free Trial. Now you want to scroll down again, and you want to make sure you're on macOS. And then you want to enter in your name and email address and select Download Trial Now to download the Crossover application. Before we continue, I do want to explain how pricing works. So to view pricing, you want to make sure you're on the Crossover page, and then you want to scroll down and you want to select Buy Now. From here, you want to scroll down again and you'll see 3 different versions of Crossover. The second option is Crossover Plus, which is the full version of Crossover. However, it's important to note that this is not a subscription. When you purchase this, instead you're going to get 12 months of support and updates. So once you've had Crossover for 12 months, you'll still be able to play the application just as you normally would, however you no longer receive new updates. So if you want to update to the newest version, you need to pay for another 12 months of support. So now we have Crossover downloaded to our Mac, we just need to go ahead and install it. So to do this, we want to open our Finder, and you want to go to the Applications folder, and you simply want to drag and drop Crossover into the Applications folder. After a few seconds, once it has been installed, we can go ahead and open it up just like any other application. Because it's our first time, we'll see this pop up, so we're going to select Open. When you open it for the first time, you'll see your trial information, and this will be 14 days. So you want to select Try Now. However, if you've already purchased a license, you want to select Unlock with Purchase Info, and then you want to enter in your CodeWeavers account details here, and select Unlock. And when Crossover opens up, it will look like this. So to play Phasmophobia on our Mac, we first need to download the platform that we already own it on. So for the example of this video, it's going to be Steam. So we're going to search for or select Steam from the install page, and then you'll see some installation details. Here it's going to say Crossover is going to install Steam into a new Windows 10 bottle. A bottle is an isolated container where all of your install files and dependencies are stored, and these are separated from the rest of your Mac files. So once we're happy to continue, we're going to select Install in the top right hand corner, and then you want to wait for it to install. You will get these pop-ups, which are the dependencies, so you want to go ahead and install them. Eventually the Steam setup process will open, so you want to go ahead and follow the step-by-step instructions just like you would on a Windows PC. Eventually Steam will open up and you'll be prompted to log into your account, so you want to go ahead and do that now. Eventually the Windows version of Steam will open up and it will look like this. So now Steam is running on our Mac, we just need to go ahead and install Phasmophobia. So to do that, we just want to head over to our library, and then we just want to go ahead and install it, just like we would on a Windows PC. So we're going to select Install, and follow the step-by-step instructions. Once Phasmophobia has been installed, we just need to enable DLSS in Crossover, so we can get free performance. So to do this, we first want to open the Crossover application, and then you want to select Quit All Applications. Once the applications are closed, you now want to toggle on DLSS in the advanced settings, and then you want to go ahead and open Steam. Now Steam is open, we can head over to our library, and then we can start playing Phasmophobia just as we normally would. So as you can see, we are now playing Phasmophobia. So to enable DLSS, we just want to head over to our video options, and we want to toggle it on from there. So I'm going to put it on ultra quality, and now we can start playing Phasmophobia just as we normally would. And that's it, so remember to get Crossover with the link in the description. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.